Guys, welcome to part 2 of my Holy Grail pinball machine, QuickSilver. Disassembling everything, as you can see, needs to be cleaned inside the cabinet. Look at those bulbs. I think they're original 40-year-old bulbs. Just look at them. So, actually, I'm used to work with, W89, WPC89 games, and this one blew a fuse on me, so the old GI was dead, and I was like, okay, where's my fuse box? My fuse box is just here, and opened it up. You can see 2.5 amp, 5 amp, 6.3, 3 point something, goes all the way up to 8 amps. And this one, for the GI, it has one fuse and it's on 20 amps. Way to go, dude. Oh, this one's also burned. So that's why look at this. Really needs some servicing, guys. Wow, man, the condition of this pinball machine. Another dead one over here. 2 dead ones over here. Oh. Look at, oh, it's so hot. That one is dead also, I don't care. So up here, I just hope that when I clean, I hope that it's not wear. I hope it's traced for the rubber. It feels like just rubber tracing. Oh man, and I don't want to just use Novus on this play field because it's 40 years old, and I know when you're looking at this, you're like, wow, man, I just bought a Foo Fighters. It looks so beautiful. I know about the new play fields, but when you have been playing for over 10 years, you will look into these old machines. I mean, new guys, they just buy new Stern machines because they're just awesome, but and they're like, there's nothing to do with them. But when you dive in, you will find out that old Bella Williams games from the 90s were amazing, and then you will dive back to System 11 games that were so amazing, and then you will dive even further back and find out about these classics. I mean, and for us here, for a guy like me, Sterns are just almost impossible to get. Now I just want to film this, but also document it for me to show that some of the heads here are small and some of them are bigger. So let me just make a overhead scan here so I can see what goes where when I'm done with cleaning and waxing the play field. So after I uploaded video part 1 with the playfield of this beauty over here, Freefall, people started writing to me, wow man, I have never heard about that game. It looks so amazing and with super wide body, and the playfield is like brand new. So guys are telling me on the community that I should contact playfield reproduction companies and send in this playfield, because they can take one clear picture, no touch-ups, no nothing, because it's a gem. It looks so amazing, man. Absolutely. But yeah, this was it. I mean, this is what I want. So let me just scan it over here, how it looks. This is both for you, documented on YouTube, but also for me when the time comes and I need to reassemble everything, then I know what goes where. Because of course I will find 10 other of these QuickSilvers. And I'm also accused of, when I make a video, show a game, the prices will go up, but that's not something I am controlling, guys. I filmed my Radical, I have filmed, I think I made 3 or 4 videos. At one time I had like 3 radicals side by side over here, and now people are saying because of your videos, radicals, they're just, you can't find them for normal prices anymore. I'm so sorry guys, but this time QuickSilver, it's not my fault. Owners of this game, they know how rare they are. They won't sell it, and if they will sell it, they know that they they can charge a hefty price. I mean, at video part 1, I actually, you won't believe me, okay, you won't believe me, but I actually got offered a James Bond limited edition if I gave both games as is. And I said no. And then he said, how much do you want for this? And I said, dude, buy another one. Yeah, and James Bond Limited Edition is not a bad game. Don't get me like that. It's just the popularity of this game. That's it. I'm a huge Stern fan. I'm gonna have some color changes in there. So Stern is gonna blink and color change. It's gonna be awesome. And someday there will be light in here. So this alien lady, I love the artwork. The artwork is just so beautiful with all this alien stuff with green and goo and yellow and everything red. I mean, oh my God. Hey, this one works. That's nice. So something's works. And I took off the cable off, and the flaky display stopped flaking. So I should just reseat it a couple of times, and I hope that it works. And as you can see, this one, you can see with the rubber here, everything, you can see how old everything is. That means that this game has been on storage, it hasn't been played. And one of the other ways you can find out about that is look at the displays. Are they dark in it? This is sunny day. I'm not using artificial light here. This is sunny day. It's very bright in here, and all displays are just very bright, crystal clear. Looks absolutely amazing, man. I love it. I love it. So yeah, this is part 2, guys. From now on, I will start. Look at this. I have to find a solution for this. So I played the game, and this one was cracked, and the ball went in here and fell down here. I'm not joking. And it landed on top of here, and it burned that 20 amp fuse. Bam! So yeah, I need to repair that also and get English. Jedes Target zahlt 1000 Punkte plus something. Disqualifiziert nur die Kuglen. So I have to just install the playfield protector. I'm gonna contact playfieldprotector.com and Pinball Universe, and I don't know if others do playfield protectors, because I'm not gonna buy a brand new playfield for this. It's worn, but it's not that bad, right? We have got these over here. So when I clean and wax, I don't want to touch up anything here. Just install the playfield protector. I hope that they're making new playfield protectors. Need to preserve this game. And also this one, it's so beautiful, man. Any company or any guy that knows who makes what for these games, please contact me. Please contact me, because I want to enjoy these games, man. They're just awesome. Yeah, and from now on, you can see these are small, these are big, and big, small, big, small, and I have to document everything. Over here, look at all that goo, guys. Oh my God. I mean, this one, look at this one, destroyed the playfield. No, you know what? This one actually put this white protective layer on the playfield. Oh, darn it. Retro Django, how can you sell a brand new Stern game, Jurassic Park, and getting this old tart of a game? And And you're laughing? Yes, I am. I feel I'm so lucky with these. I mean, no, I won't trade. Just drop it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Not for sale. And these parts, I'm gonna. They're so dull right now, but I'm gonna. Nothing is broken off. Looks really nice. Nothing is broken off. I don't know if we have reproduction of these. One of you guys said you didn't film the left side. Here's the left side, guys. I mean, again, rare game, so why not show as much as we can. Oh, this one is this is in incredible condition, man. Have you ever heard about free fall? Yeah. So that's just, this drop down assembly. I have a lot of repair work, but someday in video part something, we're gonna play this game, and you're gonna hear the most amazing spinner sound in the history of pinball. I love this one. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Again, part 2 and documentation and help video. So let's check one last. Oh, just look, when you play this game, you have to spell QuickSilver, and you can't just shoot and hit these targets. So you have to hit the pop bombers, and they have to ricochet and spill here silver. Isn't it cool? So many years ago. Genius design. Genius. So if Stern ever remakes a pinball machine, I really hope they will do. They should really remake this one. This is a very, very popular title. Oh, come on. Are you dead, Mom? Yes. It's gone. Darn it, that's a hot one. Also, some of the questions was, are you gonna modernize it? Are you gonna install new star posts? You know, green or slime green star posts? I'm not sure, guys, because I have a bunch of Bella Williams, 90s star posts. And as you can see, these Stern posts there, and Stern is new for me. Remember that. I have nothing for Stern. Okay, so. These are different, a bit higher at oh nice. So if they're not cracked off, if they're not destroyed, oh look at this, 3 inches rubber, 3.5, 3. Stern, I love Stern, absolutely. But as of right now, I think I will just keep the original posts. They don't. I mean, this game hasn't played that much. You can just see it for 40 years old. It hasn't played that much. So I think I will keep that. Of course, all the balls will be taken out, and most of the questions I got actually do. I'm going to just power LED it out or what. I'm not sure because. I'm not sure, guys. It looks so. All the yellows. I'm not sure. What do you think? What do you think? If this game was yours, will you completely LED it out, or will you buy brand new old bulbs? And when you buy these new ones, if you pay a bit more than the cheapos and get quality ones, they will light up your playfield in an amazing golden-like way. So I have nothing against these old ones, but I'm thinking about the rectifier, and because the new LEDs, they will stress the power supply unit a bit less. So I don't know. Let me see. Let me hear what you think. Thank you for watching part 2, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all on part 3. Hello, it's dead. Have a great one, guys. Oh, if you own a QuickSilver, please write down in the comments below. When did you buy it? What did you get it for? Just be honest. And how is the condition? I'm gonna share this video on Pinball Enthusiasts page, and if you're into pinball, you have to come and join Pinball Enthusiasts. There are like over 20,000 users in there on their Facebook group, so come in and join, Share your pictures. Do you have some mods? Do you have some ideas? Is there a sound mod, or I don't know, something, a new game mode mod, something with Raspberry Pi? I don't know. I don't know about these. All I know is it's such a satisfying pinball machine to shoot. That's what I know about this one. Wow, man, what an amazing game. Have a nice day out there. Retro Django out.